Okay, today we're going to talk about flipping houses. Welcome to our Property Couple channel. I'm Dale Mancini.
And I'm Marilyn Dale.
And we're realtors with Keller Williams Realty. So, is there a profit in flipping houses? Well, a lot of your questions will be answered in our Flipping Homes video today, and it starts right now. But first, we appreciate it greatly if you would please click the subscribe and the thumbs up button below.
Flipping houses may sound simple, but it's not as easy as it looks. Done the right way, a house flip can be a great investment. In a short amount of time, you can make smart renovations and sell the home for much more than you paid for it. Done the right way, a house flip can be a great investment. So, what do you need to do first?
Number one, research a range of real estate markets. Search on the computer at homes that are currently for sale and ones that have already sold in various neighborhoods that you're interested in. Number two, set a budget and a business plan. Plan ahead and determine a price range for the home that you want to work with, and plan on how you're going to do the renovation and what type of renovations will you perform. And number three, line up your finances before you need it. This is an important step, and this will help you determine how much home can you afford. And number four, start networking with contractors. This is an important step because this is where you'll be some of the skill sets that you'll need to determine whether or not you need to contract out some of the work to have it completed. Basically, this is part of your construction army. Number five, find a house to flip. Start your research in the neighborhoods that you're interested in. Number six, buy the house. Number seven, the fun part, renovate. Keep in mind, the more of the work that you can do yourself, the more profit you will have in your pocket. And then the best step for last, sell it.
After you determine the neighborhood you want to flip in, you can start your search. Look for properties that perhaps the owners need to go to an assisted living or want to sell, or someone that does not want to keep up with the repairs and wants to sell. There are several reasons why people want to sell. Talk to the neighbors. See if they know if anybody is thinking of selling. Also, your realtor is a very good contact, as a lot of these homes wind up getting listed in the multi-list.
Okay, now have you found a home that you're considering purchasing? Run the numbers. If the home needs more work than the neighborhood can support as far as what you can sell the home for and make a profit, then this is not the house you want to flip. Keep in mind, it's not all cosmetic fixes. Most of the time, the majority of the work and the big expenses are electrical, heating, the air conditioner, roofing. If you're not going to do the work yourself, and most people don't, then bring in a qualified contractor to view the home before you purchase it. You want accurate numbers with figuring out exactly what you need to do to renovate and sell.
So what's the 70% rule when flipping houses? The 70% rule states that a house flipper should pay 70% of the ARV after repair value minus any repairs when buying a house to flip. Here's an example. If the ARV is $150,000 and the house needs $20,000 in repair, the buy price should be $85,000.
Okay, the takeaway. Flipping houses is a business like any other. It requires knowledge, planning, and savvy to be successful. Some of the common mistakes beginner real estate investors make are underestimating the time or the money the project will require. Another error flipping houses makes is overestimating their skill and knowledge set. Patience and good judgment are especially important in a timing-based business like real estate investing. For your first flip, you may want to start small, with a property that does not require an overwhelming amount of repairs.
The bottom line, if you are thinking about flipping a house, make sure you understand what it takes and the risks involved. Novice flippers can underestimate the time or money required and overestimate their skill and knowledge. Making a nice profit quickly by flipping a home is not as easy as it looks on TV. Pay attention to the 8 steps above to have a successful flip.
Again, I'm Dale Mancini.
And I'm Marilyn Dale.
And we're realtors with Keller Williams Realty. helping buyers and sellers with properties in Pittsburgh North suburbs. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions. We'd love hearing from you. Also, check out our video on easy DIY home improvement ideas on a budget. And don't forget, hit the subscribe and the thumbs up button below.
Thank you for watching.